HTC is back again with its new flagship of 2018 HTC U12 Plus, one of the first smartphones with no mechanical buttons. Thanks to HTC Middle East for providing me the ceramic black unit of this smartphone. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and my initial impressions of the smartphone. So let's get into it. The box which I have received is a premium reviewer's unit, and I'm sure you will not be getting the same box once you are buying the smartphone, as the retail packaging would be different. Something like this, but it will have the same standard contents which I'm going to show you now. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So as you can see, it's a premium unit covered with a nice fabric covering the contents inside. So one of the good things about this box is that you can also see the information about the contents inside in a small diagram on the flip side of the cover. So finally, here we are. That's the smartphone. It's a big smartphone with 6-inch display. The HTC U11 was a gorgeous phone that was underrated, and the HTC U12 Plus takes things to the next level with a larger display, with minimal bezels, rear fingerprint scanner, gorgeous glass back, superb fit and finish, and the in-hand feel that is tough to beat. Also, there is no notch, unlike every other Android smartphone nowadays. The phone is a bit slippery, so it's good that HTC is providing a clear case. It's a standard hard plastic case to prevent accidental damages. Also, there is a cutout for sides as the phone supports edge squeeze features. Also, you get USB Type-C charging cable and Usonic USB Type-C headphones. I must mention here that the quality of these headphones are awesome, actually even better than what Samsung is providing with AKG headsets. You also get the Quick Charge 3 power adapter, but the phone does support Quick Charge 4. So this is what you will get right out of the box from HTC U12 retail unit. So let's boot up the smartphone for the first time. Until the smartphone boots up, let's talk about the design of the phone. So in the front side, we have dual cameras, speaker, microphone, LED notification light, and proximity sensors. At the bottom, there is microphone, USB Type-C port, and lower speakers. On the right side, we have 3 haptic buttons: volume up, volume down, and power. On the top, you have a small cutout for microphone. And on the left side, you have the nano SIM and storage compartment. Also, the lower side is the EdgeSense area for squeeze actions. The smartphone is powered by the latest and the most advanced chip, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with 6 GB of RAM. The rear dual cameras are 12 megapixel and 16 megapixel and are ranked second in DxOMark with a score of 103. They can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, also has OIS and EIS enabled for a stable footage. The front also has dual cameras, both 8 megapixel, and can shoot selfie with bokeh effect. HTC has put together all efforts and packed this smartphone with latest and greatest hardware and software. So let's check the specifications. The phone has 6-inch Quad HD Plus display with a battery size of 3500 mAh. The rear cameras are 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel. The front is dual 8 megapixel. The phone can record 4K with 60 frames per second, and HTC has enabled the HTC Boom Sound Hi-Fi Edition. Also, it has a Usonic with active noise cancellation. The phone is rocking a liquid surface design. The phone is running EdgeSense 2 over Android 8.0 and will be upgraded to Android P or Android 9. The smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 845. It is IP68 water resistant. The phone has 6 GB of DDR4 RAM. The phone comes with 64 GB or 128 GB storage options. Also, the phone supports fast charging. So the phone is about to boot up for the first time, and it's finished booting up now. So let's run through the startup process. Now let me set up the face unlocking feature and see how fast it works. So guys, the setup is finished. It's asking for the choice of navigation bar. I would go with default for the time being. I'm not sure if it's clear in the camera, but the screen quality is quite good, worthy of a flagship display. Now let's see how the phone looks with its transparent case. Well, it's a simple case but does make a better grip to an otherwise slippery back. Also, let's check the edge squeeze features. So we have to squeeze 3 times to set it up. I think I'm done setting it up. So by default, when you squeeze the phone, it will open camera. And when you squeeze it again, it will take picture. I think it's a cool feature, and I'm sure that you can assign the squeeze action for any other application which you use more, if not the camera. So now let's dig into the software, what the phone is running out of the box. So here we can see that it's running Android 8.0 Oreo, but not the latest version, which is Android 8.1. I think HTC will directly upgrade the smartphone with Android 9 or Android P, as promised. The face unlocks works fine in the bright sunlight, but I have to do a testing in the low light scenario. How does it perform? The cameras on this phone are rated second highest, next to P20 Pro, so can't wait to do a detailed test, but the sample images looks quite impressive, as you can see here. Also, it has 2x telephoto zoom lens and a new feature, sonic zoom. Now sonic zoom lets you zoom in on a particular sound or voice in the scene. So guys, HTC U12 Plus looks quite impressive, and looks like finally HTC has delivered an all-round decent smartphone with an excellent camera. So if you really want to know more about the smartphone, and if you like the latest technology reviews, kindly subscribe to my channel, as I'll be surely making few more videos with the smartphone, like tips and tricks, camera comparison, and a full review of the smartphone by next week. So please stay tuned. That's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also, click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.